Hello everyone, my name is Alex and I am happy to see you here. In this video, I am going to show you how to edit your resume in Microsoft Word. This is the list of steps that we will follow. I hope you will enjoy the whole process, and soon your resume will look just perfect. So without further ado, let's jump straight to our guide. First of all, you need to install fonts. It's very important to do so, otherwise the file won't appear properly. Go to File with Fonts, double-click on the font, then as you can see the installation box will pop up, and you just simply click Install button. You will need to repeat it with every font. I have prepared the list of very basic shortcuts for Microsoft Word. You can also find a PDF with them in the description below. So either print them or stop the video and write them down. Trust me, it will speed up your workflow later. With that said, we can start editing. Go to the file called Resume Edit Me. Choose the file you want to edit and open it with Microsoft Word. Each template contains of different elements. You can select it just by simply clicking on it. If you want to move it, go to the edge of the box that will appear when it's selected, and when you will see cross arrows, it means that now you can move it. When the element is selected, you can scale it like so. If you want to scale it proportionally, hold Shift key. And deleting is just by pressing Delete on the keyboard. Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to go back. So other useful option that you will probably need is changing style of the text you copied from a different file. If you copy a text from another file, you will also copy the font style. To change it to the correct style, use Format Painter. Select text with right formatting. Click Home, Format Painter, and then select text with wrong style. It will change automatically. You can also use shortcuts. Let's go back and select text with the right style. Press Ctrl and Shift+C and select a piece of text with a wrong style. Press Ctrl or Command and Shift+V. Now it should change for the style you want. Next step is changing picture. In order to do so, select the picture. Go to Picture Format, Change Picture, choose the location, and click Insert. Probably your picture won't appear the way you wish it does. But no worries, I will show you how to fix it. We will start from resizing and cropping it. Select the picture, go to Picture Format, Trim, Resize, and move it just like any other object in the file. Once you think it looks good, just press Trim. The other thing you may want to do is change brightness and colors. You can do it inside Word document. Let's say we want this picture to be brighter and in black and white. We need to select it. Go to Corrections. You can adjust brightness and contrast here. And change the color here. Okay, that looks good to me. Great. We're nearly there. So once you fill everything, check spelling, and change the picture, you can save your resume. Go to File, Save As, and name your file. Then select Format as PDF. And location on your computer where you want to save it. Once you're done, hit Export button. It's very important that you send your resume as PDF, otherwise it may look differently on different computer. And last but not least, merge multiple PDFs into one. Let's say you need to apply with resume and cover letter. Then you should send just one merged file. There is an easy way to do it. You need to have all the files edited and saved. Go to pdfjoiner.com, select the files you want to be merged. Remember that they should be placed in the correct order. So in case they are not, click and drag to fix it. That looks good, you can click Join Files. If you have automatic downloads on your computer, you can simply go to Download folder. If not, then click Download icon and choose the location you want it to be saved. And here we go. In case you would like to check our templates, please see the link below this video. I hope it was super easy and your resume looks beautiful and professional. Thanks a lot for watching and all the good luck with your job hunt. Bye guys.